Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Selle. In today's video, I am going to decorate different areas of my house for Christmas. This is the fourth part of my Christmas Decorate with me. I will link the other first three parts in the description box below if you want to check it out and watch it after this one. I hope this video inspires you and gives you tons of Christmas decoration ideas to use in your own home. Let's get started! I just finished decorating our family room here and now moving on to our kitchen and other areas that needs attention for Christmas decor. I got most of my decor from Hobby Lobby, Target, and Walmart. My theme is snowy traditional that is warm, cozy, and comfy. I picked up some new garland this year from Walmart for our stairwells and my husband helped me put everything up. I would love to know what is your Christmas decor theme this year. Please let me know in the comment box below.
That's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
If this is your first time here in my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I would really love it if you subscribe and join my YouTube family for more contents like this, lots of cleaning motivations, tons of home organizations, grocery hauls, and mom life. I upload new video every Friday. And don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you will be notified every time my new video goes live. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are awesome. Thank you so much for coming back and watching.
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna
Okay?
dance.
Come on.
Dance. We're gonna dance.
Have a good time. Dance all night long. We're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
This garland is not pre-lit, so I added Christmas lights on them and some glittered poinsettias, flower picks, and cherry picks to make it look so pretty and magical at night, and it truly does. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask in the comment box.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
As you see, this black garland is so beautiful, but it does shed tons of it. I definitely vacuum my floor more than ever now since my dog always tends to hate our garland with their tails and tons of fake snow always falls. I do think it's worth it though, so I don't mind. Let me know if you like traditional green tree or flag in the comment box below.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.
Moving on to the top of the stairs, I still have a few fall decorations here, so I have to take that down and put it away, and then also dust this shelf really quick. We have this cube shelf here that we used to have downstairs in the living room, but since we have to make space for the Christmas tree, we had to do some rearranging of the furnitures. And so this shelf ended up on top of the stairs. I have two more Christmas Decorate With Me video coming out soon. One is my son and I decorated our Christmas tree, and the other one is where I decorated our kitchen. So stay tuned. Make sure you keep an eye on my channel because those videos, like I said, are coming out really soon.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright.
I hope you find this video inspirational and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as it helps my channel. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and your time spent with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!